part of living off the grid is the crazy stuff that happens along the way. I went to the bathroom and I heard something in the walls and I thought I was on TV show Friday with Ice Cube. But no, it was a bird that flew down the vent. So we're going to use a handy dandy electrical contraption and to see if we can save this little bird. Oh, it needs a little more tweak. Huh? Is there like on this? Oh yeah, there is a screw down in there. So when somebody was putting the sheetrock in, they ran a thing right through it. That's really bad for the bird. Let's see what we can do here. I can't see because your head's in the way. Put the light right there. Perfect. The bird probably has to think the aliens are coming.
How exactly is that going to get the bird?
Actually, I almost had it. It's popping off my little thing. Actually sitting in the sink drain right now. Come on, birdie. Come on. Sideways like this. And stand back and record us.
Okay.
You recording?
Yeah.
He's hanging on for dear life. You ready for this? He's going to be upside down with his feet coming out. Bam! Look at that
Oh my
action.
gosh! Yay!
That bird was hanging on to those little clippies for dear life. No one, listen to him tweeping. Yeah. Listen. Look at, he's up there fluffing around. All right, YouTubers, that's the life of an off-grid solar guy. We just saved that bird's life out of a 2-inch vent drain with an electrical mabobber, and he was a good probably 12 feet down in there. That was called a miracle bird saving. Have a good day.